Good afternoon, Sir Ting. Good afternoon, classmates. Miguel Valenzuela, your classmate. For today, I'm going to talk about the concept of time travel. I think everyone in this room is familiar with the concept of going to the future or returning to the past. Now, time travel is a familiar concept that we often see in fiction, but scientists today are now arguing whether this concept is possible or not. But however, we'll be more focused on fiction. There are two types of time travel according to some fictional books I've read. First is time leap, and the other is physical time travel. In time leap, think of it as returning to a last save point in a game. So you're like going to repeat a moment, a time period of your life. Yes? While in the physical time travel, objects with me as a time traveler and I myself would disappear from this time period and will be transferred into another period of time. So, for example, if I time travel, I may find myself hiding behind that door. If I time travel now and watch myself doing a speech. Though it has many possibilities, physical time travel introduces a paradox. This paradox, for example, is if I time travel right now to yesterday, Wednesday, and kill myself, how could I be here Thursday, time travel, and kill myself? Because of this paradox, the scientists and theorists in time travel introduce the concept of world lines. Instead of a single timeline where you can travel from this point to this point, they introduce that there are multiple parallel world lines. So if ever in this point, Wednesday to Thursday, you travel back, you killed yourself, the world line will split into two. The one where I am alive and the other where I'm dead.
Oh, easy.
Understand? Yeah. Understanding the concept of time travel is important so that we can find loopholes in the films we are watching and other stories that we are reading exhibiting time travel. And also, if we understand this concept, we will be able to write our own time traveling tales, right? That's all for my speech. Thank you.